another video on our channel. So today I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube and it's gonna be very fun. So now I'm gonna bring my brother to scramble this. This is my brother, so he's gonna scramble it. Let's just wait for him to scramble it. Now, so it's time for me to solve it now.